And the most important thing is service history. You know how important it is to have an object like the internal combustion engine and maybe SMG or DSG gearbox properly serviced. Well, people don't do that anymore. So if you come across a car with a haversack of receipts and lots of stamps in the service book, you know it's going to be better because the person who's accumulated all those receipts and has paid for all that servicing, that's going to be somebody who cares about their car more than most. So the first thing I do is ask the question, has it got a service history? And then I can tell whether the mileage is genuine as well. So these two things, this paperwork of provenance, as we call it, and the fact that somebody has been organized and efficient enough to have looked after that car properly, according to the manufacturer's specifications, because this is the problem at the moment, people do not understand that they have to change oil and filters regularly. In fact, a lot of them don't understand how to open the bonnet. So if you find a car that's got all that servicing, it is a prince among cars. And then you can start looking at all the mechanical bits and the bodywork. But if it's got that service history that proves it's got provenance, then that's the most important thing.